Hey everyone, Tech Steve here and welcome back to the channel. My friends over at TP-Link want to sponsor a video to show you guys one of their latest camera systems, and I'm excited to show you guys everything you need to know. This system uses 2K cameras for QHD resolution, battery life that can last up to 180 days. It has people detection, and they have infrared and night vision so you can see that perpetrator late at night. On this video, I'm not only going to show you guys how to set them all up, but we're going to take a look at all the specs and features that you need to know. So let's get right into it.
One thing I want to do before we get into all the different things that this camera system can do, I want to show you guys some test footage so you can see how clear it is. And as you can see, it's picking up a wider shot when I'm using camera number 2. With that being said, let me show you guys everything that comes in the box.
This camera system comes with everything you need. You get 2 mounting brackets so you can mount the cameras on the wall at an angle. You get 2 batteries, and the great thing about these batteries is that they have indicators that you can see how much charge is left in them. It also comes with a hub that has a built-in speaker, and it has an Ethernet connection on the back and an SD card slot for expanding your memory. Additional to that, you get both cameras, and these cameras have 2 different mounting options. There's screw holes on the back and on the bottom, plus there's a built-in speaker and all kinds of sensors on the front so you can pick up that perpetrator that's trying to intrude your home or office. When it comes to camera, it's easy to put the batteries in. You just turn this, and you can see it has a seal around the edge. You want to go ahead and insert the battery like this, snap it into place, and then you want to put the cap back on. There's a rubber cover on the back of it. You can just open that up and plug in your USB cable to charge it up. On the front of the camera, you're going to see 2 spotlights. There's also a light sensor, a motion sensor. There's some LEDs to let you know what status that is in, and there's a built-in microphone, plus you have the camera itself. To get it set up, the first thing you would do is go to your Android or your Apple App Store and look for Tapo Camera. Once you find the application, go ahead and install it, and then go ahead and open it up. On the main screen of the application, you want to go ahead and click on Add Your Devices and make sure you did give approval for the network. The next thing you would do is go down on the application list and look for the Tapo H200. Make sure it's powered up and it's connected to the router, and then select Ready Solid Amber at the bottom. What it's going to do now is it's going to look through your network, and you can see that it found it and configured it. Now, if you want to give it a new name, you can right here, but if you don't, just go ahead and press on Next. And tell it where you're going to locate the hub. In this case, I'll just put in Studio. Now you can choose the icon for it, and it's going to go ahead and configure it. Now, in some cases, you might need to update the firmware. Just go ahead and hit Update at the bottom. It's going to take 3 to 5 minutes, and once it boots back up, you'll then have access to start adding your cameras. Now, to add the cameras that come with this unit, go ahead and press on Cameras at the bottom, then press on Add Device. Scroll down to the bottom, and then you're going to press on C420, and make sure that the battery is installed. You should see a red and green light blinking on the front of the camera, and then go ahead and confirm it. Then we're going to choose which hub that we want to add this camera to. So we're going to use the ones that I just did a minute ago, and then you want to go ahead and connect it to the hub. Now this process could take about 1 minute, but just be patient. You can change the camera name if you want to, but you don't have to. Now you want to add where you're going to locate the camera, so you can put something like front door, go and press on Next. And then if you like, you can give it a custom icon and then hit on Next again. You can subscribe to a cloud service, but you can also put in a micro SD card on the back of the hub so you can record everything locally. And then you can go ahead and press on Done for now. Now from your home screen, you can see the front door and you can see your hub. And once you get these cameras all set up and ready to go, you can mount them anywhere you like in your house. For example, you could put them in your living room if you want to get detection there. You can put them at your front door, and this will detect if someone's dropping off a package. You also can put them in the back of your home so you can detect people walking in your yard or anything like that. And if you need to, you can place them throughout your house in different locations. Just put it somewhere that makes you feel safe. Next, we're going to take a look at the different applications so you can see the options and how you can control the hub and the camera system. Now we're going to take a look at the hub and some of the options that you have available. When you first hit it, there's a gear in the top corner. If you press on it, you can rename it. You can change the location. You also have different types of sirens, as you can see right there, and the durations. And if you want to sell it or reset it, you can remove it at the bottom. If we go back to the application and scroll down, we have the micro SD card that installed, and you can see that you can format it at the bottom. If you go back in here, you can do camera playback, and you just press on that and it shows all your camera settings. You can also see all your recordings by going to camera playback, and you can see a list of them at the bottom. And just in case you want to share it with a friend or family, you can press on device sharing, and then you can hit the share button and you can add someone's email into it to invite that family member. Under camera settings, you have a lot of settings. At the very top, you can change the resolution. You can also turn on the lights that's built in. And there's a gear right here. When you press on that, you can rename the camera, location, as well as see the status of the battery, invert the image, and you can set up privacy zones, as well as changing the night mode from black and white to color. And as you scroll down, you can see there's all types of different settings that you can do with the camera itself, plus remove it at the bottom. You can do a voice call just in case you want to talk to someone who's in front of the camera, as well as set up alarms, and you have your playback. Now at the bottom, if you don't want to use the built-in storage, you can pay for a service to have all your files stored on the cloud.
In case you wondered, this is what the black and white mode looks like in night vision. It's using infrared in the camera, reflecting back and forth off of me, and then it's creating this image that you see in front of you. And this is what the color night vision looks like. And as you can see, the lights have turned on to actually give you some glow in the room.
Another great thing about the Tapo camera system is that you can integrate it into your Alexa and Google Home system. Let me show you how easy it is to connect it and get everything up and running. To set up the camera from your Google Home device, you go to Settings, then you scroll down to where it says Work with Google. Now I've already set it up, but all you need to do is just log into your Tapo account and link it, and then you have control of your camera system by using your voice commands. Show me camera 1. To set up the Alexa is very easy. All you need to go is to More, and then you want to go ahead and press on Skills and Game. Once you press on that, you want to search for Tapo. Once you press on that, then you want to go ahead and enable the skills and log into your account, and then you can have access to your cameras. Show me camera 1. So as you can see, with this Tapo security system, you have so many options to protect your home or your office. If you want to learn more, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks all for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!
Tech Steve.